Welcome to S&S Containers Incorporated, your trusted partner for your dumpster rental in Lawrence, New York. Whether you're a homeowner tackling a renovation, a contractor managing a construction project, or a business owner needing regular waste disposal, S&S Containers Incorporated has you covered. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. Our services are tailored to make your waste management easy and efficient. Our team is dedicated to delivering prompt and professional service, ensuring your project stays on track. We make waste disposal hassle-free with a seamless rental process, from easy booking to timely pickup and drop-off. At S&S Containers Incorporated, we're deeply committed to environmentally friendly practices. Rest assured, your waste will be disposed of responsibly, contributing to a greener future. We understand the importance of keeping your business clean and compliant with all local regulations. That's why we offer flexible rental periods and competitive pricing designed to meet your needs and budget. For reliable and efficient dumpster rental in Lawrence, New York, choose S&S Containers Incorporated. Visit us at www.ssdumpsterrentals.com Dumpster Rental Lawrence NY or call 718-648-2010 to book your dumpster today. S&S Containers Incorporated, your partner in waste management.